everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a SheleeArt bloom pour. We're going to be using some beautiful colors that I mixed up a few days ago and I used for a Dutch pour. But today we're going to do a SheleeArt bloom on them where we're going to swipe it. So we're going to use a record album because, you know, you can find them really inexpensively. They make great practice substrates. So here we go. Okay, we've got all our colors on, and now we're going to put on our cell activator. We're going to put it on the back of the palette knife like this. We're going to be using black, but we're also going to put a little bit of a blue with some gold in it that I mixed up. This is King's Blue, some gold in it. All right, so let's give it a try here. So let's start here. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful colors. Wow. Beautiful. to stop right here because this is beautiful. It's got dendrites. Those come from when the paint is a little too thin, and I knew that might happen because I'm using paint that I was using for Dutch pour. I thickened it up. So it's still a little on the thin side, so you can really see the dendrites. But I think they look really cool with this. It almost looks like a, I'm going to say like a bird or a kind of prehistoric animal. I love all the empty white space on it and how it just drops over the edge. I think that's beautiful. The thickness of it almost looks like the bird has something in its mouth. So I'm actually going to leave that because I know that for like my granddaughters, they would think this is the coolest thing ever. They would see some kind of prehistoric snake or animal eating something. And so I think that's kind of cool too. So I'm just going to leave it. I actually love this. I don't know what you think, but I love it. So I'm going to stop right here and do a flyover for you so you can see it up close. And then maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Oh, thanks for joining. If you're new, I really appreciate it. If you've been here before, I appreciate that too.